Hello, my name is Herman Yudi. I'm Senior Technical Analyst in Cloud Lifecycle Management product. Today I'm going to explain a high-level troubleshooting step for provisioning failure issue. There are different varieties of issues when requesting a server through CLM console. As you know, CLM stack have several different product components involved. Any issues could be caused by any of these modules. We will learn how to narrow down a root cause by looking at each of these components. First, we will start from the CLM core component, which is Platform Manager. Typically, when you are hitting a provisioning failure issue, you can see error detail in the CLM Service Instance Activity tab. In this slide, you can see an example of provisioning error. When analyzing this type of error, it is important to note what is the transaction ID number so that you can refer to this ID when analyzing the log. Once you get the ID number, you need to start by looking at the Platform Manager log. You can see the default directory of the location of the CSM log as shown in this slide. Searching a keyword in this log by using the transaction ID number would help to narrow down all of the activities of this provisioning workflow. The next component that you will need to analyze is BladeLogic Server Automation. Platform Manager uses BladeLogic API to submit a provisioning request based on the data that has been specified by a user. BladeLogic Server will do the actual works of cloning new VM based on the VM template that has been configured, as well as OS customization. Any failure during these phases need to be analyzed by looking at the BladeLogic log. Here's the default location of the BladeLogic server log. Another component that could be an issue is the created target VM. During the provisioning workflow, you might have a post-provisioning activity, for example joining domain operation or installing a list of software on your newly created VM. Any of this activity could cause a problem, and you can analyze this issue by looking at the target server log. Here's the default location of the target server log. Another component that you can also analyze for the provisioning workflow will be the vCenter server. Any performance resource issue or vCenter RACD agent issue might cause a virtual job cloning activity to fail. To analyze further for your vCenter server RACD agent issue, you can take a look at the RACD log on your target vCenter server. Here's the default location of the vCenter RACD agent log. This is just a high-level summary and guideline on how to analyze if you encounter a provisioning workflow issue. Here's the documentation reference that have more detailed information about most of the CLM stack issue, how to enable debug category logging on your Platform Manager, as well as which log to look at for each of the individual product component. For example, AR server, mid-tier, Atrium, and the rest of the component. I hope you'll find this video useful for a guideline on how to analyze your provisioning failure issue. Thank you.